Interested for the last concept of unit number 6, that is related to our regulatory commissions. You can say the various statutory regulations. So in India, we are operating or we are governed by the electricity rules. Yes, and these are mainly developed by the Central Electricity Authority. So the abbreviation is CEA. So that we are interested for the today's class. Again, today we are interested for different electricity supply regulations. So every work in India, or you can say in Maharashtra, is governed by these particular regulations. Yes, and we are interested for some factory acts. So these are related to the safety of the humans, or you can say the workers, that we are interested for the today's class. Yes, and the last point of this unit is the classification of the hazardous area. Yes, we know that inside every power plant, or you can say inside every industry, we have to identify the area where the danger, or you can say where you can say the operator cannot go without safety. So that is the importance to classify the hazardous area inside the power plant, or you can say inside the industry. So in every industry, or you can say in every power plant, there is a specific area where you have to wear, or where you have to go with all the safety precautions. So that we have to classify. Yes, and if the person knows that hazardous area, or you can say dangerous area inside the company, or you can say inside the industry, then he or she doesn't dare to go without the you can say electrical safety measures. Yes, so that is the important case that today we are interested. And in the last class, we have discussed this procedure of first aid. So removing the casualty from contact with live wire. So obviously we have to use the wooden stick to remove the casualty from this live wire, and we are interested to do the artificial respiration. So no doubt this is the procedure of first aid. Yes, and our main aim of giving the first aid is to give the first line of action. Yes, so that the recovery of that particular victim is going to increase. So that we are interested. And this point we have discussed, and we have seen one small interesting video of that kid and boy who is interested to save the life of that particular girl. Yes, and in the last class we have discussed about the important concept of the electrical shock. Yes, ते गाणं तुम्हाला आठवत असेल कदाचित, जीते हे शॉक असे और मरते हे शॉक असे. So same, that shock is nothing but is different, but this shock is very dangerous. Yes, and we cannot neglect this shock. Yes, so the current is very important in all aspect. Yes, might be you have heard that the effect of current are number, or you can say are in numbers. Yes, so there are different types of effects. So let's say the main effect of current is related to the, you can say, a magnetic field. So that can be the effect of current. Yes, the second effect of current is you can say heating effect. So our heater, or you can say our geysers, or you can say our electric iron works on this principle. That is called the heating effect. Yes, the effect of current, you can say, can be the use of conversion of current into the sound energy. So mic is the perfect example for this. Yes, so there are number of effects of current. Yes, so we are using few of them. Magnetic field we are creating. Yes, inside the electrical machines, or you can say inside the transformer, we need the magnetic field, and because of the current it is going to produce. Obviously the heating is also produced with the help of the current. Yes, and the sound energy is also produced with the help of current. Yes, so anyone from your class, can you give me some examples of current effect, so that that will be the revision for you of all the subjects from this particular electrical engineering, as well as we are interested for this particular unit. Yes. So again, there is a effect important called as light effect. Yes. We know that we are working or we are using the LED. Yes. So whenever the electricity is going to pass from that particular LED, it, you can say, it glows. Yes. So that is the effect called as light effect. सो तुम्हाला कोणते इफेक्ट आठवत असतील असे की जे करंटमुळे प्रोड्यूस होतात, तर तुम्ही नेम करू शकतात किंवा तुम्ही आठवू शकतात. सो दॅट कॅन बी द होमवर्क फॉर यू. यू हॅव टू एनलिस्ट the different effects which are going to produce with the help of current. Yes. So I have listed in the chat box few. Yes. So you can give the any number of effect which is related to the current. Yes. So that is the interesting part of this electrical shock. Yes. And that we have discussed in the last class. Yes. So today we are interested for this perfect, you can say, statutory regulations. Yes. And being an electrical engineer, you must know what is the Central Electricity Authority and who is going to govern this particular acts. Yes.